What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Sorry it took like 2 months, but I'm like a legitimate YouTuber now, so we gotta make some slime. Here we go.
Hey, what's up? We're making slime.
This is my sarcastic sister. You may remember her from the gas video or
And all the other videos that did well.
the Dunkin' Donuts one, which was the funniest one, but it didn't do very well. Okay, I made her scooch.
We're starting with glue.
Obviously, the key component to any good slime is an show them first. An absolute bucket of Elmer's glue. Don't do that. All right, there we go.
Hey, give me the food coloring.
Okay, hold on. There's my glue.
No one cares.
Yum. Next ingredient. Ow! Ow!
No, I wanna put it in.
You don't put that in yet. The next thing up, we have shaving cream.
I use this one.
It's the stuff they used in Jurassic Park, so you know it's good. All right, fellas.
I made a city.
Hers looks much better than mine. Look at it. It just like wriggled around. And now take your stainless steel Mikasa
No,
18 out of 10 Vietnam spoon. Okay, guys. So next up is the food coloring. So I'll be making. She got a homeboy in her thing. Don't put that on the
I
lens.
wasn't going to. I was showing them.
I'm making green.
I'm making purple. Is that green and blue? Purple?
Did you hear what she just asked?
I said purple. Just say yes.
Guys, please, in the comments, tell her. In the comments, subscribe. But also tell her how to make purple. We're making a purple stew.
Shut up, you're annoying.
Your name is Poopy Pants.
Ooh, it looks like toothpaste.
Oh wow, show them. Stop mixing, show them. It's so pretty. Okay guys, do me a favor. Nay nay before you get a whooping.
Nay nay, hurry up.
You know you could eat that. Don't. Actually wait, no, it's shaving cream, don't eat it. Don't eat it, it's shaving cream. You can eat glue, but not shaving cream.
Toxic?
Ugh, now baking soda. I think I just cut my lip. Hold on.
No one cares.
Focus on me.
No one.
I didn't cut my lip. All right.
There's a hair in there.
There's a lot of hair on you. Get used to it. And now once the baking soda's in there, thoroughly mix, guys.
I hope I get some bugs in mine.
Okay, children, now when you have something of this consistency with the baking soda in it, take your advanced multi-purpose solution that you got from CVS.
Contact solution.
Preferably open the cap and absolutely douse this John. Okay, now that there's a lot of that in there, mix it again. And as you can see, it's starting to congeal.
It's starting to come together.
Gotta sprinkle a little more contact solution on this. On my girl. Ow! I squirted it on myself.
That's what she said.
Okay, so once you get like a consistency like this, where it just all sticks to each other and there's nothing like in the bowl, go ahead and give her a good old grab, like that.
Or you could just do what I did and it's stuck on your hand.
Well, I'm working on that. It's coming along. Look at that. That's so cool.
It's stuck on my watch.
Once you really get the contact solution in there, it'll stop sticking to your hands. And then it'll just be, look, see? I got a little bit left over, but you know. And I'm sorry if I'm not looking you guys directly in the eyes today. I'm kind of off my YouTuber game. I keep looking at the
I'm not.
screen there.
I I always just look at the screen because I don't really care.
Yeah, it's not your YouTube channel. You don't have 57 subscribers, do you? Guys, you
Oh,
want to see
my
something cool? Watch.
TikTok.
Woo!
I almost dropped it in the grass.
Oh, that would have been bad. Don't actually eat this. But, yeah,
make
this
a
is,
big
here's
one.
your slime, guys. That's it.
Can we use the rest of the glue and make like a big one?
So this is the ingredients.
In another
Glue.
video, we will use the rest of this glue to make a huge slime.
No, it's actually gonna be this video. You need that glue, shaving cream,
No, just so it
food
keeps-
coloring,
You
baking
need a
soda, I'm not
bigger-
picking it up,
You need a bigger bucket.
and contact solution.
See, mine's not stretchy enough.
Alright guys, so we have probably that much glue left. So we're gonna use this super bowl and make the mega slime. So, here we go. I pour half, you pour half.
Oh, you just pour the whole thing. And I'll just put the shaving cream. It's not.
I'm smiling because this is funny, no other reason. Alright guys, on the knee. Double squirt.
You missed the bowl.
Catherine! That's a mean man word.
Aww.
Okay, I'd say that's a jolly amount of cream cheese, Catherine. Stop. Look at it. Ah! Stop. We gotta mix this. I don't think I'm mixing anything here. You guys can't even see it. Hold on. I gotta put my hand in this concoction. Oh my gosh. I think I'm only mixing shaving cream. I'm covered. Get your dang spoon out of there. Grab it. Look at it. Do not get it on my clothes, Catherine. Still mixing.
Watch your hand.
I'm watching it. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, look, it looks like a crime scene.
His son. And
Ah!
stop, let me do my sword.
Grab the spoon.
No.
I'm going I'm going full hand, Catherine. Grab the spoon. Do you want to delve your hand into the goopy pits of
Ew,
whatever
why does
this
your
is?
toe look like
Ah! Stop! Don't waste that.
Why's your you need to go get a pedicure.
I need a mani-pedi. I need both done. This looks very edible. Like dangerously edible. I can see it.
Look,
I see
look,
it.
look. Look, watch my finger.
I'm watching it.
No.
She's gonna die. How do I get this off of me?
Like this.
Can you be careful? Okay, that's good. Stop.
You're sweating from this. That's kind of pathetic.
That means I'm working hard. Squirt it into the bowl, not on my hand. In the bowl.
See, you put it in your hand.
More baking soda, sissy.
I told you we needed more baking soda.
Only a spoonful. I got it in my mouth. It was really sour. This is not for you. There's a bird in the yard.
He has a worm.
Don't do it. It's not water. Stop. No, seriously, stop.
Okay, fine. That shirt already has a hole in it.
I don't care. It was normal. More contact solution.
Don't call me sweaty.
Okay, sweaty.
I don't sweat, I glisten.
In the bowl, not on my hand. Keep going,
Open
sweaty.
the lid.
Oh my gosh. All right, high pressure sprayer, relax.
Use your other hand. Oh my.
It blarted on me. Oh my gosh, it's working. In all honesty, I did not think this was gonna work. It's stuck on me. Okay. All right, you take it. Real valiant of you to do it after it's all done. It's the Mega Slime.
Call me Karina Garcia.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Look, it's like crusting on my wrist.
Look at my.
And her tan is really bad.
Oh.
I got it. I have the mask, guys.
It looks like a piece of gum.
Oh, it
Didn't
does.
turn orange.
Yeah, it's pink. All right, guys. Well, it's pretty sufficiently squished. Look at this. It's delicious. But yeah, thank you for watching. We made a huge piece of slime today. I feel accomplished.
Huge piece.
A huge mass of slime. My apologies.
No.
Catch you in the next video.
Bye.